Hi everyone! Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to customize the login page in vTiger CRM. Let's get started. First, access the server where your vTiger CRM is installed. Navigate to the root CRM folder, which contains all the core files for the system. Follow the path. Layouts, V7, Modules, Users, Login TPL. Here you can customize your login page as you need. You can align the login widget by editing the code. To change the default vTiger logo, replace it with your logo. Change the file name to the same as your logo file in the image path. Next, let's remove the default ads on the login page by commenting on the ads code. For customizing the footer, follow the path layout, V7 Modules, and click on the footer template. Here, comment the default code and add your code. That's how you customize the login page in vTiger CRM. If you encounter any issues, make sure to clear the browser cache to apply the changes. Thanks for watching.